how to create YouTube Shorts in PC. Hi guys, today we're going to focus on youtube.com. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on upload videos, and then we're going to upload a video of our YouTube Shorts over here. And after downloading, we're going to need to enter the details of our video. Now our title is very important, so after entering the title of your video, we would simply type in #shorts, and then that will allow our video to be part of the YouTube Shorts. And enter your description, you can enter playlists just like that. You can change the different message over here. You could add age restriction, and we're going to click on next. You can add different video elements as usual. Click on next. You can add checks for your video. I'm going to click on next. And for the visibility, you're simply going to click on public so that everyone would be able to see your video. And after doing that, we could simply click on publish. And that's it guys, that's how you upload YouTube Shorts in PC. Thanks for watching.